all the Igbos, and listen to me, any Igbo man that refused to vote for this, for Peter Obi, I personally will push that Igbo man into a fire. In fact, I will write your name among the people. You know, there is a book for hell and there is a book for heaven. Those who will go to heaven and those who will go to hell. So I will personally write your name in the book of hell.
Away, my country people, it don't happen again. It don't bust update. Now be smart, you know. I know say most of una know this man of God, Elena, prophet Emeka Onu. It don't come out, so my people, not be small 10. Before we go touch like this matter, my first greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're a returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if now your first time you are crossing this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Okay, my country people, not be smart, you know. I know say most of una know this popular daddy Geo prophet Emeka Onu. He don't come out, can't shook mouth for this 2023 election. So when they want to not be smart, you know, he don't choose a candidate and he don't talk the person, the right person when they go vote for. My country people, may not come be say I too talk for inside this video. Make una regade.
Greetings to you, every one of you, depending on the time this video gets to you. I'm passing this information directly to the Igbos. But before I go on, my name's Prophet Emeka Onu, and the church name is Land of Solution Prophetic Mission International, based in Auchi. Now I want to pass this information to the Igbos. Any Igbo that didn't vote for Peter Obi is declared an enemy of the Igbos. Now listen to me. Every one of us as Igbos, we need to come together to vote for this man. God wants him to be on that throne. And listen to me. God will not come down to do what me and you we are supposed to do. God has already done it. He has already signed it. But we need to play our own part. Listen to me. If there is no action, there will be no reaction. If we didn't take an action, God will not react. And listen to me, in Matthew 18:18, he said, whatever ye bind on earth is bound in heaven. What does that tell you? It tells you that it is the earth that determines what heaven approves. So whatever ye permit on earth is permitted in heaven. Listen to me. If you are not tired, I am tired. If you are not tired, I am tired. So this country needs to be restructured. And by the grace of God, God has helped us with this man called Peter Obi. Let's come together and be obedient. Let's come together and be obedient as one Nigeria. This man, Peter Obi, is coming to restructure Nigeria. It is scattered already. It's coming to restructure Nigeria. So let's help him in whatever way we can do. All the Igbos, and listen to me, any Igbo man that refused to vote for this, for Peter Obi, I personally will push that Igbo man into a fire. In fact, I will write your name among the people. You know, there is a book for hell and there is a book for heaven. Those who will go to heaven and those who will go to hell. So I will personally write your name in the book of hell. Because you don't like good things. You want to suffer again. You want to suffer again for another 8 years. Aren't you tired?
Hi people, how una check and show una don't watch the video. Make una not forget to share this video and make una still leave una opinion. He talk say if Igbo people not vote for Peter Obi, that means they be enemy of una understand. Make una still leave una opinion down there. And guys, now I want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao ciao, bye bye.